Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an essential part of personal growth and success: setting long-term goals. Long-term goals provide us with a clear direction, a roadmap, to follow on our journey to greatness. Before we dive in, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos on personal development and success strategies. So, what are long-term goals? Long-term goals are dreams and aspirations we set for ourselves, usually lasting a year or more. They inspire us to envision our desired future and work continuously to make it a reality. The first step in setting long-term goals is to reflect on your vision. Take the time to ask yourself what you really want to achieve in life. Think about your ideal future and the person you want to be. Remember, dreaming big is essential during this phase. Don't limit yourself. Embrace your potential and believe in your ability to achieve extraordinary things. Step 2 is to break your long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This approach allows you to track your progress and stay motivated along the way. Let's say your long-term goal is to start your own business. Create small milestones like researching your market, developing a business plan, and launching your website. Celebrate each milestone you reach because they are stepping stones to your ultimate vision. Step 3 is setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and timely goals give clarity and focus to your long-term vision. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Measure your progress. Ensure your goals are realistic. Align them with your overall vision, and set a deadline to hold yourself accountable. Step 4 involves creating a detailed action plan to reach your long-term goals. Break each milestone down into actionable steps and allocate time and resources accordingly. Consistency is key here. Stick to your action plan, and remember that small, consistent efforts can yield significant results over time. Step 5: be flexible and adaptable. Life is full of surprises and circumstances can change along the way. Embrace these changes and be open to adjusting your goals and action plan as needed. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the process. Be persistent and learn from any challenge you face. Setting long-term goals is an empowering process that can transform your life. Take time to reflect, plan, and act on your dreams. If you find this video useful, show it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal growth and success. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your journey to greatness begins with the goals you set today.